In FEMAP 2021.1, new functionality has been added to the function table editor. Here I will load a function that has some values from a modal frequency analysis. If I hit send to Excel, the data transfers pretty quickly, and I can see all those values that have come in on the XY columns. The new functionality that exists in 2021.1 is the ability to now connect to Excel. This icon appears once Excel transfer data has happened successfully from the function table editor. A dialog pops up that shows us we are in live connection mode. Now, I can simply come into my Excel sheet and start making changes. Here, if I make a change, we can see the Y value was updated. If I delete, I can see that the values are updated. If I make an uncheck of the live switch, we can come into the Excel and nothing will change automatically, but we can now enter our data and then do a bulk update with one button. Here I'll use an equation to just do a simple multiplication factor of my X values and propagate those down with a double click. I click update and all those values come in very easily into FEMAP function table editor. So this is great for XY values and for other types of data, stress, strain, time sensitive data and the like. Here's another example where we have results in this model to take a look at a results processing table. So in a similar way, we can create a results table of modal analysis and we can do different kinds of combinations. So a linear combination will take the scale factors of each result set and add them together. In order to maybe organize this better and start manipulating data more quickly, we can send this data to Excel and we can connect to it. Since we're in live connection mode, I can make drop-down changes and it will automatically update in FEMAP. I can change the title, I can add different set and study IDs, I can change the values, and I can manipulate this in bulk. So here I'll move this over. If I enter 0.05, we can see it updated quickly in column 6 in the FEMAP function table editor. I did a copy here and I can do all of the values all at once and I can start scaling and moving down very rapidly. I can even take something here that's in operation and copy it so that goes to all other operations. I can delete just as easily. Here's me setting something to min envelope. And then I can update the values and we can see those updated values come through very quickly. So introducing this new technology is a way for engineers to get bulk data transfer and to manipulate their data much more rapidly between FEMAP and Microsoft Excel.